Hey there, it's Jack. We're just doing a little cleaning up around the shop. Today we're going to remove an op block assembly. So come over here. We got this block. It's attached with these two bolts right here and this set screw. To break that loose, we're going to use a 3/16 and we're going to use a 1/8. We're going to loosen up this set screw, the 1/8 Allen. Then we're going to come in here with our 3/16. We're going to crack these two loose. Alright, so now that we got it all loosened up, we're going to just drop it down here. We got this spacer ring and we got a keyway in here. So pull it off. Sometimes this key will fall out. And the spacer ring likes to sit up there, but that might come off as well. Alright, so the reason we would take this off is if we ever wanted to disassemble this, check out our internal bearings, maybe put some more grease inside there, some mineral oil on that bearing. Also, if we were ever changing our chuck to a different end there, we have more room to get our spanner wrenches in there to break it loose. Alright, now I'm putting this op block back on. We got our spacer ring on there. We got our key up there. We're going to slide this straight up. We want to push up tight, but then we also want to make sure that this shaft did not move up. So we can come in here with a flathead, just give it a little pry down to make sure it didn't move. Then we can go ahead and tighten it up.